Budgie is a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero.
Thank you. Press the start button to go. Hold on tight, here we go.
Budgie is a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie! Rocketing roadies!
Oh, Budgie will always help if there's a problem. And if someone's in trouble, he's there on the double. He'll just grin and zoom off to the rescue. To the rescue, to the rescue. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pippa, Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure. Oh, Budgie is a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go, it's Budgie, the little helicopter.
Have right through.
And that was the Budgie, the little helicopter kiddie ride made by
Jolly Roger